Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Python for data analysis with Anaconda. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Python for data analysis with Anaconda, first, ensure that you have Anaconda installed on your. Open the Anaconda Navigator from your Applications or Start menu. Once the Anaconda Navigator is open, locate the Environments tab on the left side of the window. Click on the Environments tab to access your available Python environments. To create a new environment, click the Create button at the bottom of the screen. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your new environment. Choose a descriptive name, such as data_analysis, and select the version of Python you wish to use. Click the Create button in the dialog box to set up your new environment. After the environment is created, it will appear in the list of environments. To activate your new environment, click on its name to select it. Next, click on the play button next to the environment name, then select Open Terminal. This opens a terminal window where you can use your activated environment. In the terminal, you can install necessary libraries for data analysis using pip or conda. For example, type conda install pandas to install the pandas library. You can repeat this step for other libraries like numpy and matplotlib. After installing your desired libraries, you can run Python scripts using your environment. To start Python, simply type Python in the terminal and hit the Enter key. Now, you are ready to conduct data analysis using Python within Anaconda. Remember to activate your environment each time you start a new terminal session. Enjoy exploring data analysis with Python in your Anaconda environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.